Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a significant legal case from the Philippines, GR number 247348 of Christian Cadahas E. Cabias versus the people of the Philippines. This case, highly critical issue around privacy, highlights critical issues about privacy, cybercrime, and child protection. Let's explore the detail. What is the case all about? This case centers on Christian Cadahas, who has accused and convicted of child pornography under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 and the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2009. He induced a minor to send sexual explicit photos through Facebook Messenger. So, what are the facts of the case? And after reading, here's are some key facts that I read on this case. This Christian Cadahas meet a person we can call Triple A 14 years old girl at his home workplace canteen. Despite her mother's disapproval, Cadahas and Miss Triple A began a relationship and communicated through the social media called Facebook Messenger. In November 2016, this Miss Triple A mothers discovered message where Cadahas coaxed Triple A into sending explicit photo of her breast and vagina. Triple A's mother confronted Cadahas and filed charges against him for child pornography. Cadahas was charged with violating Section 10 of Republic Act number 7610 and Section 4 of Republic Act number 10175. What are the primary issues on this case? The primary issues in this case were whether the evidence obtained from Cadahas' Facebook Messenger account violated his right to privacy, whether the acts committed by Cadahas constituted a violation of Cybercrime Prevention Act and Anti-Child Pornography Act, whether the prosecution proved Cadahas guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. So, what are the ruling of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court upheld the conviction of Christian Cadahas. They ruled that the evidence obtained from his Facebook Messenger account was admissible. The court emphasized that the right to privacy does not protect individuals from prosecution and legal acts, especially those that exploit or harm minors. Consequently, Cadahas was sentenced to imprisonment and fined under the relevant provision of the Cybercrime Prevention Act and the Anti-Child Pornography Act. After talking this case, I have some key takeaways we should understand to avoid fighting a law or doing wrong against the law. First is right to privacy versus protection of minor. The right to privacy is crucial, but it doesn't shield individual from prosecution for individual acts like Cadahas done for Miss Triple A. Next is legal accountability in digital communication. Messenger or other social media platform like Facebook can be used as evidence in legal proceedings. Next, vigilance of guardians. Parents and guardians must actively monitor and protect minors from online exploitation. And lastly, of our key takeaway is legal consequences of exploitation. Engaging in or coercing minor into illegal activity carries severe legal consequences. This takeaway highlights the importance of understanding and respecting both digital communication law and right and safety of minor. That's all. See you tomorrow.